Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Do It Yourself Plumbing with Tom. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to open a tub drain with a Shop Vac. Typically, depending on what area you guys are in, a tub drain might cost you anywhere from $150 to $300, whereas a Shop Vac will cost you $40 to $75. This do-it-yourself project is a pretty easy job. Typically, tub drains are clogged with hair buildup. Any acid that you're going to buy from your hardware store that's strong enough to eat up hair is also going to hurt the pipes down below. So the simplest way to remove the hair out without calling a drain cleaner in to cable the line and pull it out is to use a Shop Vac and suck it out. So what I will do, guys, to start out with, I'll show you. What we're going to do is take the screwdriver. What you're going to need for this job is a pair of latex gloves, a screwdriver. I also have a small hook, almost like a dental hook, to grab the hair when I pull it up, and also some paper towels. To do this trick, what we'll do is, there's a little hair buildup there. We'll move that out of the way. We're just going to unscrew the tub plate. Alrighty, that's all set. We run the water just a little bit. I always run the water just to fill it up so that I know when I Shop Vac it, it's wide open. And it's already starting to back up a little bit. Yep, it's not super fast. So we're gonna disconnect the two screws on the trip lever plate. These are all just flathead screws. Sometimes you might have Phelps head, but no big deal. You can just unscrew them out. And what I'm taking off right now, guys, is called the overflow. Tub waste and overflow. And the reason why this is water goes down through the drain. But if this ever backed up and it wasn't allowing water down, you have the overflow here. So as the water level rises up the tub, it'll go down through the overflow and into the drain pipe. It's not going to drain 100% for you, but at least it gives you a little bit more time to realize, okay, you left the tub running, it needs to be unclogged, it needs to be turned off. Let's run the water just a little bit more. So to use this Shop Vac, guys, we're going to get these paper towels. I just got it wadded up. What we're going to do is stuff that in the overflow. This is the simplest way to do tub drains, especially if you have a daughter or a wife that has longer hair, or honestly, anybody that has a long hair. Okay. And there is our problem right there, guys. Just a wad of hair that was down inside the drain. So what we'll do is now we'll pull our paper towels back out. You really don't want to get any water down when you're running the faucet, so if you have any backwash going onto the back of the tub, put your trip plate back on before running the water. On this one we have a pretty steady stream, so it goes right down. We don't have to worry about that. That seems like it's draining properly now, guys. I think that wad of hair was our issue. Awesome, you guys can see that draining right out. And what we'll do, guys, is we're going to put our trip plate back on. We're going to put our trip plate back on the wall, and then we also put our tub cover plate back on and test it out again with all the proper plumbing in place. So you guys will see the two, when you take the trip plate off, you'll see the two bracketed holes. behind the tub. And you're just screwing you're just screwing back into those holes. Sometimes they can be a little bit tricky to find, but once you find them, they should screw in relatively simple. Just leave the screws flat just so it looks good on both sides. And we'll screw in the bottom plate. Should grab a bigger screwdriver for these. Hold in place a little bit better. And like I said, guys, we're gonna give it one more test to make sure it works good. And we will get rid of our hair buildup. This is the #1 reason why tubs don't drain, is just hair buildup over time. And what happens is the hair builds up with the conditioner and the soap, and then starts not allowing the water to drain through properly. Thank you guys for watching another video of Do-It-Yourself Plumbing with Tom. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below in the comment section. Also like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when the next video comes out. Thanks guys, have a great day.